Hello, hello, beautiful souls. How are y'all today? I am early today. Y'all ready for your message from the divine for the collective affected by domestic violence? Are y'all ready? Yes. I know y'all are. I'm always excited to share these positive, inspiring messages um, that can be impactful and life changing for the better. I do these messages for myself as well, and they have been quite helpful for me. Um, I think they're great for the transformation. That's funny because I was just thinking about that and that fell out. The transformation of different things that you are desiring in your life. So don't take these messages that come your way lightly because they are meant to be transformative. Okay. The Most High is so good, so divine. Staying connected will get you in alignment to where you need to be. This is so funny. All right. So here we have 7 cards today. All right. The first one is be kind to yourself. Transformation is around the corner. Be courageous. Allow your spiritual team to guide you. Connect and listen to your inner being. You are the magic you've been waiting for. Get tapped into source. Oh no. Not oh no. This is such a beautiful message because it is telling you overall that the divine is with you. Stay connected and let your spiritual team guide you. Okay. So be kind to yourself. Sometimes mentally we can beat ourselves up in our minds. We overthink about things. I'm guilty of that myself, so that's how I know. So be kind to yourself. Sometimes transformation is around the corner. Sometimes we think it's not coming, and we can be beating ourselves up, not kind to ourselves, thinking that it's never coming. Maybe we need to do something different, or you feel like you're doing something wrong, but no. Be patient because transformation is coming. Be consistent. Be courageous. Be brave in what God has told you to do. It may not look like what other people are doing, and you may be afraid that because you're doing something different that people are not going to be attracted to it, or your ideas are not good enough. But be courageous and do what the Most High has told you to do, along with allowing your spiritual team to guide you. They will not guide you wrong. They will not guide you wrong. Also connect and listen to your inner being, which is your spirit that is guiding you. Listen to it. Connect and listen to it. Why? Because you are the magic that you've been waiting for. You are the magic. There is nothing outside of you. Nothing at all outside of you. Everything that you need is within you, your God-given spirit. So get tapped into source. Get tapped into source. So everything is still coming back to your inner being, your spiritual team. Everything is within you. Okay? You are the God source. All right, so that is the message. So be kind to yourself because transformation is around the corner. Be courageous and allow your spiritual team to guide you even through your fear. Connect and listen to your inner being because you are the magic that you've been waiting for. It is all within you, nothing outside of you. That's your inner being. So get tapped into source, which comes back to being your spiritual team, your inner being, the Most High, the God within you. Okay? All right. So y'all have a beautiful, beautiful Friday going into the weekend. My name is Cassandra, but they shine, and it is through our voices and stories that we can help or inspire others to become survivors, the best version of themselves. All right. All right. Have a good day and a good weekend.